Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix unknown part battery. For example, if you see this kind of error when you open your battery settings and here is written unknown part, unable to determine if your iPhone battery is a genuine Apple part. This could be because the part is not genuine, non-functioning as expected, or the installation is incomplete. There are many reasons for this error to occur on your iPhone. So if you see this kind of error, then first of all you have to simply close this page. First of all, you have to make sure that you have not installed the newer battery. But if you have not installed and this kind of error is occurring, then you have to simply restart your device and check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you have to send it to the Apple support and ask for the solution why it is happening. Moreover, you can also go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to battery settings on your iPhone. So here you have to simply click on that. Moreover, you can simply go to battery health and charging, and if here your option is showing that unknown part battery is not genuine, so then you can simply go to the nearest Apple sports section and you have to simply replace your battery. But if your battery health is declining or more deteriorating, then you can simply replace your battery, and after that you can simply check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there after replacing the battery, then there may be a software error. So you have to simply restart your device, or you have to go to setting, and after that you have to go to general, and here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your device, because many bugs and errors are fixed by the latest version on iPhone iOS 18. So here you have to simply make sure that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.